Alright, we got a force of gravity on this bad boy, 50 newtons. It sits on a table. I have a force normal. I'm not sure if the force normal is equal and opposite. Once you put this 20 newtons on here at a 35-degree angle, it's not. So that's a bummer. We're going to have to do some math there. And I have force of friction going backwards. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is get all my x direction because it's going to be accelerating in the x direction. So this red is going to be 20 newtons times the cosine of 35 degrees. Just for fun, there is a vertical force here that's 20 newtons times the sine of 35 degrees. So I am going to go to forces in the x direction equals mass times acceleration in the x direction. I have a 20 newtons times the cosine of 35 degrees minus my force of friction equals mass, which is 5 kilograms, times the acceleration, which is in the x direction. 20 times the cosine of 35 is 16.4 newtons, minus, now remember, force of friction equals mu k times force normal. My mu k is 0.15. But that has to be multiplied by force normal, which I don't know, and I'm going to have to figure out. Everybody say boo, boo. So, I got to come over here to my sum of the forces in the y direction equals 0. Why? Because it's not accelerating in the y direction. I have force normal going up plus 20 newtons times the sine of 35, that's this, and minus 50 newtons because that's down. That all equals 0. 20 times the sine of 35 is 11.5. So, whoa, what happened there? That was weird. Force normal plus 11.5 newtons minus 50 newtons equals 0. Force normal equals 50 minus 11.5. Force normal equals 38. Wow, I'm getting sloppy. There's newtons there. 38.5 newtons. So now I can come back over here. 16.4 newtons minus 0.15 times 38.5 newtons. This force normal's up here. I should have went blue, but I didn't. It's 38.5. Equals 5 kilograms times A in the x direction. So 0.15 times 38.5 is 5.8. Minus 5.8. 10.6 newtons equals 5 kilograms times A. A equals 10.6 divided by 5. 2.1 meters per second squared. So that's my acceleration. Force normal I have. And my weight is always easiest. Long one. That's an A problem. Woo woo. Woo woo.